Hi guys, today is Monday, Memorial Day. I'm gonna spray paint this mirror into like silver with glitter. I taped it up. Oh, not the wind piece, not a thing. It's somewhat cute. This for my room in the salon because I'm trying to do everything silver, white, and blue. So this was a gold color, but I feel like I should have gone with like a silver spray paint first and then with the glitter. I think this will do. I think it's fine. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Like I said, I should have got like an actual spray, like a silver spray paint, because you can see. Oh, this should look so horrible. But it's whatever. I'm gonna see if I can buy another spray paint, a silver one first, and then I'm gonna buy. I don't know if I should even put glitter on it. But yeah, this is how it came out. We'll see. Hey guys. So I'm going to be chopping off my hair. So I don't know if you guys remember, but in 2020 I had my hair like to here. So now I low-key want to go back to that, and I want to cut my hair to like here. So come with me to cut my hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited because one, it's because my hair is like really like dead at the bottom, as you can see. I'm so tired of it being like so ugly at the bottom, and I just want fresh hair. And I was thinking about going red, but I'm kind of scared to go red. I think I'm gonna buy a wig. I'm about to cut this off. I'm so excited. And oh, I didn't tell Ambrosio I was gonna cut my hair. I haven't told anybody. The only person that does I'm gonna cut my hair is my mom, because she's gonna cut my hair. But I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me so y'all can see his reaction. Yeah, let's get right into it. This is my hair. It's pretty short. I okay want to go shorter. So we're going to the gym right now, and I'm waiting on a Ambrosio to get in the car so I can show him my hair. He doesn't see me at all. Come in, guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Are you recording? Huh? Are you recording? What you got? What you got as a surprise? What's the surprise? Huh?
I don't know. You tell me.
You pregnant?
No.
Oh.
You don't know?
Okay, your hair, I know that.
How do you know that?
Hell, it looks different as hell, man.
Yeah. That was a lame ass reaction.
You look like a little four question.
I know you're not fucking talking.
That's what I'm saying. Well, it's cause like, I was like, hold on, what's going on? Cause you had the camera on, just like that. You were just smiling, so I was like, awkwardness. Oh, like awkwardness.
Okay, shawty babe. I'm gonna cut it to here. Okay, we're gonna go to the gym. Hey guys, I'm cooking. I'm going to make bell peppers filled with turkey meat. You know, I'm trying to eat healthy. All I put in the turkey meat was pepper and salt. I would have recorded from the beginning when I was prepping the food, but I couldn't find my camera. And I just finished cutting all these. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff these bell peppers with turkey meat. And yeah. So the plan is for us to, I have to do some themes for my booking site. And then after that, me and Ariana are going to go downtown and take some Here, the bell peppers, meat, and then avocado. I'm just gonna throw this avocado on here. I use a whole avocado. You wanna know something? I was at a grocery store, and when I was buying the bell peppers, I had seen a little bag, another bag of bell peppers, and it had like the image of this. And I saw it and I was like, oh, that looks good. So I decided to make it. So the avocado, it's just me adding it because I love avocado. So I'm just gonna basically like smush it into the meat. This looks so nasty. I wash my hands, y'all. This is good as fuck. Just gonna fill the bell pepper.
Ooh, what is that?
Food.
What are the peppers for?
To hold the meat. Okay, I'm putting cheese on it. I feel like yellow cheese would have been better, but this is all we got. This is queso fresco. You know, Mexican household over here, so we have queso fresco. Alright, y'all get the memo of this. I'm gonna go ahead and finish, and I'll meet y'all for the taste test. I look-y want to put this in the microwave for like at least 5 minutes. No, a minute, I'm lying. Just so the cheese can melt. So give me one. Okay, the cheese sort of melted. You like it?
Okay.
Definitely. Next time, I'm gonna boil the bell pepper. So I feel like it'll be so much better. Let's try it. Okay, so this is my makeup. These are the Yetis. Show your makeup, Yeti. I don't know why she'd be laughing all the time, bro. All the time. Anyways, we're about to go. It looks like it's gonna rain, so we're about to go to downtown and take some pics. See you there.
We're here.
John started fucking sprinkling.
Yeah, look. Well, y'all can't see it, but it started sprinkling. We want to go over there. I say take pictures over there, but there's people over there.
No, yeah, but I'm saying we can go in there in a bit.
Look, it looks weird.
What looks weird? I hear it's haunted, but I don't think it's true.
Probably. It looks haunted.
Okay, we're gonna go here. It's like a little theater, but it's a vintage store now.
It looks weird, bro. I don't fucking trust that shit.
Okay, so why are you laughing?
I just remembered something that Ambrosio said.
What did he say?
Damn, Mariana, you got something wrong with your back?
Oh, so the seat. Okay, so oh look,
Bruh.
my camera died.
I think we should do it like somewhere else.
Like where?
I don't know, anywhere. Cause this is kind of creeping me out. Y'all look, hold on. Y'all not gonna tell me that creeps them out. Just no. And then that person right there. And then that dog, bro. Oh no.
So my camera, this one, yeah, it's dead. So we can't take pictures. I think I'm gonna have y'all
Set up.
No, but it's raining, so I don't want my camera to get wet. Like it's like drizzling. Once it stops raining, y'all will see the behind the scenes. Hey guys, so today is June 1st, and there's a lot of protests going on because of the new law that's gonna be passed, the SB 1718, I believe it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. This bakery is Mexican, they're closed. A lot of places around are closed. Well, I can see the people from here, but I know y'all probably can't. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Let's go this way.
makes me want to cry. Like, even though like I'm blessed and my family's blessed, you know, to be like, you know, here, you know, have papers and everything. My parents came here illegally, you know, they crossed the border and everything. So it's just like, if my parents were to never have gotten, you know, citizenship, that's just scary. And I have family members that like aren't documented. I have friends that aren't documented. Like, I can already imagine like how they feel. I have this one family member that they're scared to like go to the gas station. They're scared to do certain things, and it's like things that you think that you would be able to do. With this new law, like, I'm pretty sure they're even more scared. Like, I just can't imagine living in fear, you know, and it just sucks. I'm just proud that everybody showed out. Like, this has been the biggest protest I've ever seen my whole time living here, and I'm just like so proud to be Mexican.